Welcome to Starting Point. We're your trusted compass, guiding you through Miami's most remarkable hotels. Whether you're seeking oceanfront elegance, balcony vistas, or art-inspired havens, Miami has it all. So buckle up, because your unforgettable hotel journey begins right here at Starting Point. Hi, I'm your host Mark, president of ACI Travel. Join us as we explore these havens of relaxation and adventure. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Your next hotel stay might just be a click away. Today, we're thrilled to share with you two extraordinary hotels that left us utterly enchanted. No fluff, no exaggeration, just real-life moments. The Faena Hotel, where art comes alive, and the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, elegance with a splash of sunshine. First on the list, the Faena Hotel. This beachfront property is where luxury meets surreal artistry, making it an unforgettable destination. The resort has received the Forbes 5 Diamond Award for 8 consecutive years. Pretty impressive stuff. Upon entering, we weren't greeted by a traditional lobby, but rather an awe-inspiring space, affectionately called the Cathedral. It's a sight to behold. It features gold leaf ceilings, mosaic floors, and a series of gargantuan murals, and a massive glass wall that reveals breathtaking views of the hotel courtyard and the ocean beyond. Our suite was a statement of glamour and luxury, surrounding us with shiny golds and velvet reds throughout the living room and bedroom. The wealth was exhibited through the marble bathroom floor, large soaking tub, and walk-in shower, not to mention the fully stocked bar. As we stepped into our furnished wraparound balcony, we were greeted with magnificent views of the ocean. It was a visual treat that expands the imagination. At this property, the restaurants are a culinary delight. Whether you're seeking fiery flavors, artistic presentations, or tropical elegance, we promise an unforgettable culinary journey. Expect a wonderland of colors and comforts that will tantalize your taste buds. Los Fuegos by Francis Molman offers a fiery culinary journey led by the renowned Argentine chef known for the mastery of the flame cooking dishes. The restaurant features a vibrant themed indoor dining area and a whimsical outdoor courtyard with an oceanic motif. It's truly a remarkable dining experience. And the restaurant Pao showcases innovative Filipino-inspired cuisine led by award-winning chef Paul Quay. Guests can anticipate exquisite artful presentations, surprising flavor combinations, and a delightful culinary twist, all complemented by stunning ocean views. Whether you're seeking lively entertainment or a cozy corner to relax, this property has you covered. The living room lounge. This iconic space is an artful sanctuary where nightly live music and entertainment come alive. And the Faena Theater. Kim and I had a blast. We enjoyed Allure, the Cabernet-style dinner show. It's an amazing intimate venue with captivating performances. This hotel offers a unique and relaxing experience, starting with its courtyard. This outdoor setting features a 3-story tree of life, providing a tropical retreat filled with vibrant plants. Guests can unwind in the lush tropical gardens or enjoy the hand-painted mosaic seating at the sunbar. The centerpiece of the hotel is the mammoth. This display features the bones of a 10-foot-high mammoth encased in 24-karat gold. This $15 million piece is secured in a climate-controlled glass case and stands outside between the hotel and the beach. What an amazing property and attraction! You can spend your day at the pool under the candy-striped umbrellas, or nestle on the beach in an exclusive cabana, or visit their spa oasis for a complete spa experience. With both the pool deck and private beach equipped with accommodating staff to provide guests with white glove service all day long, the Faena pulls through on its promise of elite luxury while making all guests feel like royalty. And next on our list, situated right on Brickell Key, This resort offers a private oasis away from the city's hustle and bustle, the Mandarin Oriental. Drawing inspiration from Miami's cosmopolitan vibe and the Oriental heritage, this hotel offers an irresistible sense of luxury, providing an excellent option for those who are looking to enjoy the Bayside of Miami. The lobby of this hotel is elegant and sophisticated. Accents of gold bamboo, sand-streaked marble, and polished river rock create a harmonious blend of natural elements and modern design. The two-story high windows frame breathtaking vistas and bay views, inviting guests to unwind and take in the beauty. The guest suites are elegant and contemporary, featuring Italian bedding and private balconies with either great city or bay views. The marble bathrooms include separate soaking tubs and large walk-in showers with plush bathrobes and slippers that add to the comfort and luxury of the accommodations. The property offers world-class dining options. Restaurant Lamar is a renowned restaurant located just a few steps from the main lobby. It offers amazing views of Biscayne Bay and the Miami skyline. The restaurant's contemporary design provides the perfect backdrop for their signature ceviche and their specialty cocktails. The hotel features the glamorous Mobar Plus Lounge, located right in the lobby. It offers great views of the skyline and water, making it the perfect spot to enjoy a variety of classic cocktails and modern mixology. And there's even nightly live jazz and Latin music, making it a cool place to hang out after a long day of fun. This hotel offers a luxurious pool experience featuring an infinity-edge outdoor pool with butler service and the poolside Oasis Cafe that offers stunning bay and city views. The cafe serves exquisite cuisine, including freshly prepared sushi, gourmet salads and sandwiches, all of which can be enjoyed with refreshing cocktails. What a delightful way to spend the day. The spa at the Mandarin Oriental is a 5-star sanctuary with 6 stunning VIP spa suites. Each suite is custom designed for specific treatments and boasts floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the Biscayne Bay. The spa offers innovative treatments inspired from ancient traditions from around the world. Boy, this resort has it all. The Mandarin Oriental Resort combines luxury, serenity, and culinary excellence, making it a truly special destination when traveling to Miami. Miami is a fun and exciting destination to visit. We hope that this episode inspired you to discover more about this amazing destination and gave you a good starting point to plan your own adventure to this vibrant destination. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and stories. And don't forget to comment below and tell us what you think about Miami and where you'd like for us to go next. Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and by all means,